For those who conquer, it's more than just a motto for us. It's a fire inside that keeps us going when we feel like giving up. It's that drive to be the best and offer the best quality possible that fuels us to find a better way. We don't make people into something they're not. We give them the keys to a vehicle that drives them to their goal, but it's their choice alone if they'll step on the gas pedal. There's something broken in our industry, the need to have all the attention on us as the stylists or becoming Insta-famous. All of that fades, but the true power comes when you fill the gaps in your knowledge and you know when you look in the mirror that you're giving your best possible for the guest. We offer top quality training to help you offer the same to the people you serve. I started my career as a salon assistant. I was the prodigy of an elite salon where I worked, but when I went out on my own, I experienced so many mistakes on repeat, and it killed my confidence in the process. I eventually quit the industry because if I was the top of my class at my school and a star assistant, but I still couldn't make it behind the chair, then what was the point? I had points of being busy, but I felt unfulfilled and noticed that people would come to me for a time and then they would disappear. They weren't fooled by my false confidence and my ability to hide the flaws in my work. Fast forward to owning my own salon. When I trained people, I saw the same overwhelm that I experienced early in my career. So I knew there had to be a better way. I took my 15-year journey and made it into a manual. But after trying to implement this type of training, I realized all it did was add boredom to the mix. There's a traditional way to train hairstylists and it's just not working. So we took the rules, we broke them to the core and made the process better. It's not about reading a book and then making all your mistakes on a paying guest in the salon. We found a way to open your eyes to what true quality is and how to be a well-rounded artist. We do this through self-guided training, and it's in a course. You read stories, videos, and you implement practice rounds. And we paired that with accountability. So we use checklists, graded practice sessions, and one-on-one coaching to help you through the process. We found that practice is a futile effort if you don't know what you're looking for. Our course, our coaches, and our process change the game. It's not for the weak. There are 2 paths to every career. Path 1, you can grind it out, make years of mistakes, self-correcting, and hoping to have confidence in the end. Path 2 is be calculated in your approach, build a solid foundation, and train yourself to live and breathe quality. We built this program for conquerors. So which path will you take?